The fork is on the line. These guys need to put their freaking hearts in. It literally all comes down to this. Oh, they're exactly tied. Hey you guys, we're here today for the first annual Drift Trike Olympics. Dun, dun, dun! We have contestants FETTY Potter. What are you doing?
I was trying to get comfortable.
Nigel Jones and Uzi Walker Dan.
Hello.
Uzi's not with us. He's in his own realm of existence right now. We have 5 events planned today. The winner of this Olympic tournament gets to take home the golden fork. This has been FETTY's for the last few months, and I told him, FETTY, it's time to put the prize on the line.
I mean, he designed the course, so it's a little unfair.
Whatever.
There's
Anyways,
only one course.
We have 5 events. The highest wall ride, the longest drift, a race, a timed obstacle course, and the longest manual, not in any particular order. This is really uncomfortable on my butt. Ah! Where are you going? What is he doing? Today's just been weird for him, dude. The order today is gonna be Uzi up first, Nigel second, FETTY third. He's requested third because he is the current Golden Fork winner. So the very first event, my friends, is the highest wall ride. 3 attempts each. All right, hey, let's get going. We're basing it off the back wheel, the height of your back wheel, okay? Uzi, go. And Nigel, just go right after him. We'll go fast. There's wax on this, Carlos.
He's coming in hot. He got air.
He aired
Fully.
the entire way down.
I watched a lot of Flintstones growing up because you see those legs are like.
Yeah. All right, Uzi's up for round 2. Still below Nigel's. It's actually lower than his last one. Did you just hit your nuts?
Yeah.
So FETTY's still in the clear lead. Passed him up. He got him. He leaped him. Dude, slow down. Coming in hot, freaking race track.
That's the same as the last one.
Ready for this? I don't know. I'm so scared.
All right.
Hey, make sure you gotta roll away clean.
There.
That was his last one.
Oh, that was his last one? He
got
did
hurt.
roll away clean. Okay, all right, well, let's go to the leaderboard. All right, now we're going for the longest drift. These rules are gonna be a little interesting. What are you guys counting as a drift? Somewhat sideways drifting, like a power slide almost. So we're starting at the same line that we do the longest power slide, and then we'll keep track of the distance in which they have one complete drift. We got a little dust there. The fork is on the line. These guys need to put their freaking hearts in.
I think I'm the only one who is.
Oh! This is the wrong competition. We're not skateboarding in this video, we're drift triking.
Oh, my bad.
Nope. It's like way over there, yeah.
He rolled back a little bit after it was done, put it right here. Would you like to eat some wax off the special golden fork?
It looks really good. It looks like white chocolate.
Yeah, like really pedal at it. Oh, it's like sliding.
Oh, that's close, man. All right, one more try, guys. Uzi, you're up. Oh, this is gonna be his worst one yet. He's not gonna have enough speed. Ah! That was by far his best one. Nigel, you're up. Fast. You rolled back a little bit, but it was definitely right here. Nigel takes the lead. Ah! Right here. The leaderboard has Nigel as the first place winner of the longest drift. Uzi is number 2 and FETTY is number 3. Uzi, get over there! So just to be clear of the rules right now, this is the longest manual. You're gonna start back there. This line right here is where you will begin the manual. You can pedal up until you start manualing, but after you start manualing, you can no longer pedal anymore, okay? And just to be clear, we're doing distance straight.
Hey, look at. You ever notice how like we have the moon is out right now and the sun is out? So like on the other side of the world, like it must be pitch black.
I'll message my mom and tell her to turn some lights on.
That was a lot sketchier than I anticipated.
All right.
Drag it out!
Yes.
Nigel with the comeback.
Didn't know I could manual that far.
Oh, this is a good one.
Go! No! I need air in my tire.
Oh, man. That's your final stand, Uzi. So now for the longest manual, we have FETTY in first, Nigel in second, Uzi in third. FETTY in early first place and Nigel in early second place. Uzi is in last right now, but you never know what could happen with this race. I'm thinking FETTY will win now. Uzi, you know when the sun and the moon are both out in the sky, time goes half as slow?
Half is slow. That doesn't even make any sense. It does. That means it's going regular speed.
Event number 4 is the Drift Trike race. So you will start at this line. You will also finish at this line. You will trike all the way down there. The white dumpster that is open in the middle, you must touch that with your hands. Turn around and come back here. And that is a race. This is for the golden fork. Look at it shine in the sun.
I love the sun.
3, 2, 1, go!
What happened, dude?
I couldn't keep up with them all.
Strategy. I blocked him in at the dumpster. And then while he was trying to get ahead of me, I put my front wheel like this, so he was working twice as hard for both of us. And then I kind of just scooted him to the side and passed him.
I got stuck at the dumpster behind both of them.
Nigel and FETTY are completely tied right now.
Yeah.
There's no chance for a tie though, at all. 1-1, 2-2, 1-1, 3-2. Oh, they're exactly tied. The final event, event number 5, is the time trial obstacle course race. So they start at the garage door over there. They have to trek their little hearts out all the way over here. They will hit this, jump up, gap, up this, land on this bank, go down. Once they do that, they will trek over here, come up here. They will turn a sharp left. They're gonna go straight down here. And then once they come down the 5, they have to ride up this little kicker onto a grind, land that. So they have to start behind the line. As soon as they start pedaling, I will start the timer. And then as soon as all 3 wheels cross this line at the finish line, that's when their time cuts. They have 2 tries. Okay, let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go!
They're too fast.
That was
for me.
hard, huh? 18 seconds, 11 milliseconds. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it was close! 18 seconds, 83 milliseconds. 17.67,
Wow.
dude. Nigel, you have to cut off a full more than a second.
You have to literally hit this jump perfectly.
No, it's
to
not
get
the
that-
jump. Yeah, it's the drift.
Yeah.
Drift.
Yeah, I think you can do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh man, 17.91. Slightly behind. Dang, dude. It all comes down to this.
3, 2, 1, go!
We got it! 17.45.
Literally comes down to the last one.
All right, Fetty. It literally all comes down to this.
Does he take the fork back home?
We've had some incredibly clutch performances in the past, but this is just unbelievable.
3, 2, 1, go!
He got you, dude.
No!
He got you. Oh man. 17.29.
Oh.
And the winner.
I don't even know if I won the whole thing, but I won.
It literally came
Oh,
down to
really?
that. You and Nigel were tied.
I just wanted to win that thing. I didn't even know I won the whole thing.
Are you good, Dave?
I'm bleeding. I don't know how, but.
And with that, by a margin of 1 point, you are the Trike Olympic victor. And you are again the winner of the Golden Fork. Congratulations.
We need to make this into like a necklace.
There's some videos right there. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more, let us know in a comment below. Subscribe, like, leave that comment, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.